Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to unlink eFootball account from Game Center. Just before we do begin though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. Now, before we do begin with this video though, make sure that the in-game eFootball app is currently unlinked to your Game Center. Now, if you haven't, go ahead and open up your eFootball app, then tap on Extras on the main menu, go to Support or User Information, then select Link Data, tap on View Link Data next to Game Center, and then select Unlink. Confirm your choice. Once done, let's move on to the main step. Now, open up your settings right over here, and then go ahead and type in Game Center right over here. Right over here, go ahead and scroll down and tap in sign out, and then click on sign out right over here to confirm. Now, just a quick note though, go ahead and restart your eFootball app to check if the connection is removed. And also a second quick note, the Apple does not offer a direct server-side dashboard to completely delete individual game association from Game Center records. So go ahead and sign out once you're done, and it should be fixed. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.